If you watch this video until the end, you'll learn some amazing Windows keyboard shortcuts that can truly make you a keyboard master. Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. These shortcuts will save you a lot of time in your daily work and help you use your computer faster and more efficiently. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First shortcut is Windows++. Simply press and hold the Windows key, then press the plus key. You'll notice that Windows Magnifier instantly zooms into the area where your cursor is located. This is extremely useful when you're reading small text or want to zoom in on a specific part of your screen during a presentation. To zoom back out, simply press Windows +-. Next is one of the most useful keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl + Shift + Escape together. The task manager will open instantly. From here, you can monitor CPU usage, memory, RAM usage, disk usage, background processes. You can also open the Startup Apps section and disable unnecessary startup programs, which can significantly improve your computer's boot speed. Many times we need to use the run command. For example, cmd regedit msconfig control. Instead of searching manually, simply press Windows +R. The Run dialog box will appear immediately. Normally, opening Windows settings requires several clicks, but with Windows +I, the Settings app opens instantly. If you want to capture your entire screen, simply press Windows + Print Screen. The screenshot will be saved automatically. You can find it later in Pictures greater than Screenshots. If you have multiple windows open and want to quickly return to your desktop, press Windows +D. All open windows will be minimized instantly. Press the same shortcut again to restore everything. Normally, when you delete a file, it goes to the recycle bin. But if you want to delete it permanently, select the file and press Shift + Delete. The file will be removed immediately without going to the recycle bin. Just make sure you really don't need the file before using this shortcut. If you have software pinned to your taskbar, you can launch them without touching your mouse. For example, Windows +1 opens the first pinned app. Windows +2 opens the second pinned app. Windows +3 opens the third pinned app. This is a quick and convenient way to launch your favorite applications. Press Windows +Tab to view all your open windows in one place. From here, you can quickly switch to any application you're working on. If you usually multitask with several programs, this shortcut can save you a lot of time. This is one of my favorite shortcuts. Press Windows + Shift + S to launch the snipping tool. Instead of capturing the entire screen, you can select only the area you want. This feature is especially useful for creating tutorials or taking precise screenshots. Normally, Windows only lets you paste the last item you copied. However, pressing Windows +V opens your clipboard history. You'll see everything you've copied recently and can paste any previous item whenever you need it. If you're using it for the first time, you may need to enable clipboard history. Need to step away from your computer for a moment? Instead of leaving it unlocked, simply press Windows +L. Your computer will lock immediately, helping protect your personal files and privacy. Here's a shortcut many people don't know. Press Windows + Ctrl + D to create a new virtual desktop. This gives you a completely separate workspace. It's perfect when you're working on something private and don't want others to see your open windows. Press Windows + E to instantly open File Explorer, this PC. It's one of the most frequently used shortcuts for browsing and managing your files. Finally, here's a shortcut for creating a new folder. Inside any folder, simply press Ctrl + Shift + N. A new folder will be created instantly. No need to right-click and choose New Folder. These are some of the most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts you can start using today. You don't have to memorize all of them at once. Just start using 2 or 3 shortcuts every day, and before long, they'll become part of your daily workflow. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments which shortcut you use the most, or which one you found the most useful. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Tech Hunter for more Windows tips, technology tutorials, AI tools, and productivity tricks. I'm Syed, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.